Got you. Got you.
Tell him to go to sleep, Sophia.
Go to sleep.
Good night-night. Yes. Go night-night, Xavier. Auntie's tired. He's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Xavier. Hey, where's Auntie's baby at? Where's Auntie's baby, Xavier? Hey. Fatty. Hey.
Why did you just go back?
Fatty. He is a fatty.
No, he isn't.
Yes, he is.
No, he isn't.
Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Go night-night. Go night-night.
Here. Okay.
Oh, no. Now you're going to make him stay awake longer.
Okay.
No, you have to give it to him now. He already seen it. I already seen it. Tell him. I already seen it. It's 11:45. And still wide awake. Go night-night. Go night-night, Xavier.